Hello, I'm here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course. The topic for today will be the routing. So the system can provide you a set of commands for the design of wire cables, pipelines and ventilation systems. And these commands allow you to build space routes manual mode or automatically. We can create elements of engineering communications according to certain technical requirements. We can specify the compatibility for the routing elements, this way eliminating design errors. And we can set styles in routing elements to specify similar connections only. I will show you the very basic of this because we will have a special video after this course where we will exploit all the topics of the creation of libraries, the use of libraries, and some very nice examples of these pipelines cables functionalities. On a very basic mode now, to work with this, we have two commands. We can create first a route, and if we create a route, we can specify automatically which will be the type of the route. So it can be an electricity cable, an air pipe, or a pipe. Okay. If we don't want to create this in anticipation and according to the specified type, you will inform the system. You will give informations below in this area. If you don't want to work with this, you can go directly to the pipeline command. Here you create also the pipe or the routing, but you don't specify any particular type. Okay. So either or you have a trajectory already, or you simply create a route, and then if you give points, so simply make this and you will create something that it's a pipeline. Then you can have a profile being round or rectangular, or select from a list of standards. So you have a lot of them where you can specify all of these informations, diameter in this particular case in thickness. You can specify if no standard is used, you can specify your own informations in here. So let us say a rectangular one. You can give it a wall thickness, so you can say something like this. Give a radius of rounding, for example. In this particular case it's rectangular, it will not work. Inwards or outwards, how to manipulate in terms of the creation of the bodies, simplifying the geometry, creating separate bodies or not. And we can give also the endings and the connections of the elements, especially for round things. So we have libraries of items, so we can select from all of these guys, and in that dedicated video we will see how to work with these, how to create these libraries, how to edit these libraries, and how to apply them. But basically we have the possibility to set the start, the end type and the middle type. Okay, we have a lot of things in here. Besides, in these rectangular profiles we can rotate the profiles. For example, something like this. In this particular case I'm not sure what will happen because we have a change of direction. So we can try a simpler line, so just a straight one from here to here. and apply a pipeline in here, rectangular one, let us say a little bigger, with a wall thickness also, for example 2, and we can rotate the profile like this and applying, and we have the final result is something like this. This is what we have for the routings. This is very nice for the handling of this type of projects. This is a very basic approach just for understanding where are the commands and how to apply them. But again, check our video about this, where we have a project from scratch and the handling of the libraries and the elements that compose the libraries. In the meantime, if you have any questions or any design that you have already done and want to show us, so contact us through the usual channels.